Alright, so this is going to be a quick and easy fix. So say you put in a hard drive, or like a USB, and it just prompts you that you need to format the disk. But when you actually go ahead and format it, it gives you this little warning, or this little issue that says Windows is unable to complete to format. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get around this. What you want to do is just press OK, and then we can just exit out of all of this. We don't need to do anything. That way, you're going to go to your search bar. Now, if you're on Windows 11, you can search for disk, and you'll see it says create and format hard drive. But I noticed on Windows 10, you have to actually type in create and format hard drive for it to come up. So that's something that you'll just have to, figure out whatever operating systems you're on. And what you see here is your disk management, and you'll see the actual disk right here, which is labeled letter E, and it's unallocated to any space. So how do we fix this, and how do we get it, within the file system? As you can see, all my other disks are NTFS. So what I like to do is just right click, and we're just going to create a new simple volume. And this is going to be the pop-up that's going to allow you to just allocate space. On here, it's already going to read how much space you have on your USB or your hard drive, so you don't have to change anything. You can press next, and then you can assign it a letter. It already is assigned E. Just sign it whatever letter. I'm just gonna select G, and then once you hit next, that's when you're gonna have the different file systems. So depending on what you're trying to do, you can change it to the FAT32, but of course the NTFS is gonna be your default. So you really don't need to change anything here, other than if you want a new name, you can go ahead and put it there. I'm gonna keep that there because I'll show you how you can change that name after this. And then make sure this is clicked, perform a quick format, just so it doesn't take all day. And then this should already be selected, the format this volume with the following settings, so that's fine. And then just hit next, and then finish, and it should just load up here, and it should allocate it to the NTFS file system. So as you can see, it just did that. So now it's not in the unallocated place right there, and you can see it pops up right here. So now your drive should be good to go. Just to show you guys that you can actually use it, I'll just bring it up here, which was the G, and we're just gonna show you guys that I can actually put some stuff in it and whatever. And then the actually change the name, you can right click properties, and if you didn't change the name before, you can just like change it in there, and then you should be good to go. Your Windows will like just close out everything, and then once you actually reopen it up, you should have that file, which is right here. That USB, and it should be good to go. So yeah, I hope this helped. If it did, leave me a like, and see you guys next time.